Morning! Sunday morning. A beautiful Sunday morning at that. On 24th February. I say morning, it's 10 o'clock. It's technically morning. And I am heading back to my island. So it should be a lovely day for a nice long blast on the bike. So yeah, we're just going to take it easy. It is 13 degrees, but man, it feels a lot warmer in that sun. I am heading up to Dartmoor first, and we'll be going through Tavistock, and then on to sort of two bridges. God, he was belting round, wasn't he? There'll be a lot of bikes out today, I suspect. I feel like I need to limber up, as it were. I've literally just got on the bike, packed up, filled up, and then got out of Dodge. Trying something a little bit new as well. We'll see how it goes. I've got this GoPro on over here. Hello. And I'm running that straight into bike power. I want to see if it will record and charge at the same time. So typically what will happen is it won't. We'll get up to Dartmoor and I'll be on this camera only. But we'll make the best of it, as we always do. Oh, smell the country. Lane. Imagine him barreling a bike into one of those. Certain the bike would stop quite quickly. I'm pretty sure you'd be carrying on over the front of it. Tamar Trial Centre. What do you reckon? Bit of trials biking on the feeder? It's starting to clear up, it was a bit hazy. Dartmoor is just right up on that skyline. You probably can't see it on the GoPro, but it's got a distinct colour to the countryside up there. It's a bit brown, very short, rugged grass. Dartmoor, for those who don't know, is quite an exposed place, and it's fair to say that I probably grew up there whilst I lived in Plymouth, but every Wednesday, every weekend, every Friday afternoon I was up on that moors, navigating from tour to tour to tour, just hiking, and I love it. It's a very special place to me. Now, I've never ridden a motorcycle over it, so I'm looking forward to doing that. More for the spectacular views. The roads are nice, but there is a 40 speed restriction on it for a reason. It's full of sheep and horses, and imagine hitting one of those at 60 miles an hour. Not fun. Also, the road service is a little bit almost gritty. Also, there's lots of cattle grid, so whilst it's a nice biking road, if you stick to the speed and try and enjoy it for the scenery and just where you are in your surroundings. But if you want to hoon up there on your Ninja and get your knee down, it's not the place for that. But I'm looking forward to showing it all to you. So just coming into Tavistock now. I can smell the countryside already. I've got a bit. Hello. My voice is cracked or something. It's all gone a bit Barry White. There you go. There's Dartmoor up there. Dartmoor National Park. Released a little bit of it. And here we go, this is the start of the 40-mile-an-hour stretch. So, but you know me, not in it for the speed. And there's the ponies. This is exactly what I was saying. You go zooming down here at 1,000,000 miles an hour, smash into a horse, that's it, game over. And it's not like it's a rare occurrence, you saw that. I was 20 seconds onto the moors, 2 ponies right by the side. Just look at it. I'm trying to pan around for you slowly so you can see it. I just hope the GoPro picks some of this up because it is absolutely stunning. Really, really pretty. And one of the real dangers is you could very easily just get carried away on this road. If you had nobody in front of you, you could quite easily just keep rolling up the speed, rolling up the speed, rolling up the speed, and then bang, that little bugger runs out in front of you. I feel quite strongly about the subject. I just really like being alive, to be honest. So in a minute we'll be going past Princetown, which is home to Dartmoor Prison. Built a long time ago with the thought that if we put a prison on Dartmoor, people won't escape because it is remote as heck. And it is. See, it's just beyond these trees here. You can see the prison. There's the prison, just over there. Woohoo! Let's not do that again. Let us definitely not do that again. There she is. The prison. And here I am, almost a hood ornament for a camper van. Cattle grid. Ankle snapper 3000 used to call those in the army. Because you go over one of those wrong and that is you gone. I mean, that's kind of the point, except not for humans, for cows. I'm trying to sort of look left and right as much as I can safely, so that your viewing pleasure isn't spoiled by the traffic to our front. But not every video has to be a clear, straight, empty road. It's real life. You get traffic in real life, it's okay. Fortunately, there's no one behind me, so I can just back off the distance. Cattle grid! So now we are descending into 2 bridges, and apparently I'm an airline pilot now. 2 bridges, intuitively named because it has 2 bridges. And there's one just there, look. There's a nice hotel there. So there's bridge number 1, and we're going over bridge number 2. The other thing you should be aware of when riding on the moors are hikers. There are a lot of people who walk for pleasure out here. I used to do that. I don't do it anymore because I don't live close enough. And that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. Certain elements of it are a military training area as well, especially up near Oakhampton. So for a remote place, it's generally pretty busy. So if ever you're passing from Exeter heading to Cornwall, it takes you down the Devon Expressway, the A38. I would highly recommend, whether you're on a car or a bike, take the detour and come via Dartmoor. It almost runs parallel to a degree, but it's really worth it. It's quite breathtaking. And if you're coming through in the dark, especially when it's foggy, man, it's creepy. I just stood in cow poo. Dartmoor for you. Well, I think this battery is about to die. So I is going to run along. We've got about another 20 minutes, 25 minutes of this, but then dual carriageway. So I'll pick you guys up on the coastal rope on the A35. Horse in a car park. Oh, you're gonna love Devon. Filled up SD cards to the brim, so I thought I'd quickly stop, say hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.